Welcome back to Reaction Traction, guys, where we bring you some of the craziest videos on the internet. Today we're going to be looking at some random train crashes. I wouldn't want to end up in one of these situations.
Oh my god!
Looks like some dealership just lost a lot of money.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
I always wonder why these trains can't slow down sometimes, you know? Like, shouldn't they see these cars on the tracks at a distance? This guy just tried to hurry up past the rails. No, he's stuck, but I think I'd take that risk to break that wooden rail opposed to getting hit by a train. He's like, screw it, I'll just leave my car. Could have just easily backed up. Wow. 18-wheeler destroyed. Another 18-wheeler. I think I can beat the train. Nope. Bus parked on the rails, not paying attention. Wow. I wonder if all the passengers were on the bus still. I don't even know what's going on there.
Okay.
Looks like a derailment here. It's like a delivery van. That looks like an easy one to get caught up in. It looked like he could have made that. Trying to get out of the way. Oh boy. I think I would have jumped out. Man, those trains hit hard. It's like a gasoline truck. That could be a big problem. You think it's gonna be an explosion? If you like those videos, definitely check out the animal attack video listed above. Like and subscribe to the channel for more videos, guys.